She's at home. Say thank you for the lawnmower.
Thank you for the lawnmower.
And for the Thomas car. He doesn't have that one. I just gotta put the batteries in it. Should we go try out your lawnmower since it's still nice out? Cool. You can push it around.
Take that, mine.
Oh, the paper? Say please. Okay, you wanna give it a go? Push it around. There you go. Cool. We'll try it outside since it's so nice out. Say thanks, Aunt Barb.
Thanks, Aunt Barb.
Can you look at and wave? Look at Mommy. Teddy, look at Mommy. Oh, he's too fascinated. Alright, so we'll go try it out on the grass because the grass finally came back. Yay! Here's my pretty flowers from Aaron for my birthday. And these are from Wyatt and his mommy. You're ready, aren't you? We gotta get your shoes on. Does that make lots of noise? Whoa, makes lots of noise like a real lawnmower. Oh, going this way. There he goes. Pretty cool, huh, Teddy? Good mowing. Are the bubbles coming out? Try going fast. See if they come out. He's going so slow because he wants to catch the bubbles. But then if he goes slow, then it doesn't really do bubbles. Good mowing, buddy.